Hello friends, welcome back to my channel again. In this video there are vacancies for computer IT candidates, then electrical candidates, instrumentation, electronics candidates. All branches have the openings for different companies, so we will check one by one. Genpact, which is hiring for process associate, AP help desk. Okay, so the some of the information they have provided about the Genpact company here. And roles and responsibilities: day-to-day management of all payment cycle activities in a timely and efficient manner, take calls to provide resolution to supplier queries, then work on disputed aged invoices, invoice processing and perform payment runs, creation of PR and and GRN, good receive note entries in the system, handle incoming queries and invoice processing. Okay, qualification required: commerce graduate. Okay, commerce graduate student required, and freshers are eligible. They have already mentioned that freshers are eligible, so those who are commerce candidates, then please apply for this position. Freshers are eligible. Strong communication skills, verbal and written. Then preferred qualification: validated experience in accounts payable, good Excel skills. Okay, and other information they have provided. Job is process associate, primary location is India, Gurgaon. Okay, schedule full time, education level bachelor, graduation or equivalent. They have posted this job on 14th May 2021. Okay, then job category is full time. If you want to apply, then please apply for from this button, apply online. You will get this link in the description box below. Okay, so freshers can apply for this position, so apply for this. Okay, then next is from, we will check, this is from JRF, Junior Research Fellowship. This is for JRF, and this recruitment is from DRDO. Okay, this recruitment is from DRDO for BTech degree in electrical, electronics, telecommunication, instrumentation engineering. Okay, then ME MTech candidates can also apply. ME MTech degree in electrical, electronics, telecommunication, instrumentation engineering. Okay, so then graduate degree in physics in first division from AICT institute or in university. Okay, and then desirable qualification: proficiency in communication and DSP algorithms, having knowledge of working in embedded system. I don't know what it is, but yeah, you can go in the detail. Then stipend of 31,000 per month plus HRA as applicable. 31,000 stipend for and plus HRA is also applicable. Okay, so those candidates who belongs to electrical, electronics, telecommunication, instrumentation, ME MTech candidates, please apply for this position. Okay, so the detailed advertisement with the application form and the formats are available in the website. This is www.drdo.gov.in. Then interested candidates can also obtain the application form and other details through this site have given. Okay, then the duly filled in application and self attested copies of educational qualification and experience should reach, this is the address they have provided, within 30 days from the date of publication of advertisement in the employment news. The envelope contains application should be script application for GRF at the top right corner. Okay, then mode of selection shall be by interview. The date and time, venue and mode of interview will be initiated to the shortlisted candidates via email. Okay, then candidates working in government or public sector undertaking, autonomous bodies, and should apply for the through proper channel. They are required to submit the signed declaration annexure 2 to the extent that they have informed their category controlling authority. Okay, Then they have provided also those who were already awarded GRF position in any DRDO centers earlier are not eligible to apply again. Okay, so candidate need to attach proof of CGPA to percentage conversion formula from the university institution along with the application form. So what you need to do, you need to send your documents, your mark sheets, certificates, whatever the required documents are there, you need to submit to this address. Okay, or you can do one thing, that you can mail your whatever documents, resume, mark sheets required, uh, you can mail to this mail ID. Okay, then they also required the proof of your CGPA to percentage conversion formula, that is also required. So mail your documents to this mail ID, and you will get, if you shortlist, then they will send one mail to you. Okay, so this is a very good opportunity for accept CSIT candidates. So please apply for this position, don't miss this chance also. Then we will check BEL recruitment, Bharat Electronics Limited. Okay, we will check. This post is for trainee engineer, number of post 30 vacancies. For reservation general 12, OBC 8, SC 4, ST 3, X, and then EWS 3. Then first year you will get 25,000, then second year you will get 28,000, then third year your salary will be 31,000. Okay, job location, initial posting in the BEL is Bangalore. Your job location for BEL Bharat Electronics Limited will be the Bangalore. However, majorly candidates should be willing to travel extensively throughout India for all field level activities. Only those candidates who are willing to travel may apply. They are not saying like Bangalore will be your fixed job location. It may change as per their requirement. Okay, so the field activities are located in pan India, including Northeast India and Jammu Kashmir as well. Okay, note 3% of posts will be reserved for the persons with disability. PWD candidates 3% post will be reserved. Upper age limit upper 25 years. Then other information is provided. Qualification, full time 4 years BTech course from reputed institute or university in the following engineering disciplines. Here also same branches: electronics and communication, ENT telecommunication, first class in indicated qualification from for general, OBC, ex-servicemen candidates. Okay, then method of conversion of CGPA. If your mark sheet contains CGPA, then please convert that CGPA into percentage as per your university rule. Then post qualification experience. Okay, experience or knowledge on Ethernet communication, Ethernet layers, TCP/IP, IPv4. Then switching equipment like router, switch, hub. Okay, then responsibilities: main activity, installation and commissioning of projects in the field on pan India. Whenever you will select what will be your roles and responsibilities, they have mentioned here. Okay, then selection procedure: candidates who meet eligibility criteria with respect to qualification and experience will be allocated allotted weightage as follows: aggregate marks secured in BTech, weightage 75%. If you have very good percentage in BTech, then chances are more. Okay, chances are more. So they haven't mentioned like they will take exam. There is no exam on your aggregate marks. Then relevant post experience, 2.5 marks will be allocated for minimum experience stipulated. For the 1.25 marks will be allocated for every additional experience of 6 months. Then weightage is 10%. And then interview for shortlisted candidates, 15%. Okay, Then CGPA to percentage conversion they have mentioned here. How to apply? Candidates who are desirous of applying for the above post and are willing to be posted at the location indicated in the advertisement may apply online by clicking the link provided against the advertisement to apply for trainee engineer 1 on contract basis. Please note, this is on contract basis. Okay, the online application can be accessed from 12th May. The application has been started, okay, and last date is 21st May. Now 5 days are remaining. So candidates are required to enter all information correctly in the online application form and verify the same before submission, as changes shall not be permitted after submission of the application form. Documents, what documents will be required? And please note this point, the dates of the selection, timings, venue will be intimated to the shortlisted candidate through email only. List of candidates shortlisted for the interview will be uploaded on the BEL website. And document 10th mark sheet, BE BTech degree certificate as applicable. Then in case of CGPA, then convert your CGPA to percentage. Then final consolidated mark sheet, then if a caste certificate, disability certificate, okay, then attach all those. For the general candidates, selected candidates are required to be covered under a medical insurance scheme for a sum of rupees 2 lakh per annum and submit the same on the joining. In addition to the remuneration indicated, a consolidated amount of rupees 10,000 per year will be paid towards expenses like medical insurance premium. Then application fee for this is rupees 200. Candidates belonging to PWD SC ST candidates categories are exempted from the payment of application fee. For SC ST PW candidates, they don't have any fees, and other candidates pay rupees 200 to apply for this position. Okay, so I will provide this link in the description box below as well. So those candidates who belong to electronics, electrical, so please apply for this Bharat Electronics Limited. Okay, then we will check internship from the IBM company recruitment. Internship location is Bangalore, state Karnataka. Then required education bachelor's degree, position type intern, employment type full time, contract type internship. Then what will be your responsibilities? They have mentioned here: full stack software developer to develop a mix of new features and support existing code on critical projects. So, okay, so coding, developing, that will be a part. Require technical and professional expertise. Okay, so Java, JavaScript, then RESTful APIs, Kubernetes, and database system. Then preferred technical and professional expertise, master or equivalent degrees preferred, experience in multiple of the following areas desirable: testing, then cloud technologies, microservices, experience, knowledge in continuous integration or deployment, or bachelor degree, master degree, BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MCA in computer science and IT. So those who want to apply for this internship position, please apply. Okay. Then Wipro, recruitment from Wipro for the graduate engineer trainee, location is Noida, India, and you can apply from here. They have mentioned this job description. Okay, and they have not mentioned any roles and responsibilities. Like we all know that this recruitment is from Wipro, and they have mentioned like programming languages. So the roles and responsibilities will be coding, developing, testing, and all. Qualification BE, BTech, they haven't mentioned, but if you are familiar with these programming languages, C Sharp, then .NET, ASP.NET, HTML5, jQuery, JavaScript, then you can apply. Mandatory skills, these are mandatory skills: .NET and stakeholder interaction. Okay, so that's all for this video. these vacancies for all the stream candidates. Okay, so please apply, and thanks for watching this video.